Hello everyone, this is Mona and you are watching Style Blender, and in today's video I am going to make a feeder cover or bottle cover. So the fabric I am using is 100% cotton and fleece fabric. If you want to keep the bottle warm, then you can use fleece or thermal fabric. And now I'm going to show you the measurements, and the length is 7.5 inches, the width is 10 inches. But if you want to make this for bigger bottles, then I would suggest you to go for up to 12 inches, or just to be on safe side, if you're not sure, then the length should be around 10 inches and the width should be around 11 inches. All right, now I'm gonna decorate it a little bit. So I am using this ribbon. This is a cotton ribbon, and I am going to create a bow in the middle just like that. So if you want to do that, then first measure how long you want your ribbon, then cut off any extra fabric. After that, mark the midpoint. So this is how I folded my ribbon, so I get the midpoint, because here we are going to create a bow or butterfly look. So now you need a thread and needle. All you have to do is just sew it from the middle, just with the running stitch. You don't need any other fancy stitch, just do the running stitch. And this is how it looks so far. Now I'm gonna just pinch all the fabric, and I am going to just fix this shape with the help of a needle and thread. And in the middle you can use the bead or butterfly just to give it like more nice and cute look. Once my shape is ready, I'm going to cut any extra thread, and now I am going to sew it on my fabric. So you need 3 pieces for this feeder cover. One is a fleece and one is a cover for outside and inside, because I don't want any raw edges to be shown. So this is how it is, and now I'm gonna pin it, and then we are going to sew from the sides, and then I'm gonna fold it in half and sew it like that, and then I will sew the other fabric as well. So this is how it looks so far. This is how I finished this side seams, and now I'm gonna flip it inside out, and I'm gonna show you how it looks from outside. As you can see, my ribbon is fixed too. I want to hide all the raw edges, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave my other fabric, the simple fabric, and leave it the wrong side out. And now I'm gonna slide that fabric into the feeder cover, and I am going to make sure all the seams are matching, because I don't want any loose ends, or I don't want any shape shifting things going on. Once my fabrics are aligned, then I'm gonna make a straight stitch all around, and then from the top I am going to sew the fabric like that. I'm gonna push half an inch inside or quarter inches, whatever you are comfortable with, like so. And in the middle I'm going to use like a 3 inches to 4 inches long ribbon, the same ribbon I used for decoration. The same ribbon I am going to insert it just to close the bottle cover. If you don't want it, just leave it like that and use the button in between if you are not comfortable. But I'm gonna use the ribbon, and I'm gonna show you in my next clip, because I forgot to film that, and once I was done, I just remembered that I had to show you that, and I was done by that time, so sorry about that. So here you can see I sew the ribbon as well, and this is approximately like 3 to 4 inches. You want just 3 or 4 inches just to close it from the top, because you don't want your feeder to get out while it's in your bag, and there are so many things in the bag. So for now I'm just gonna forget about the top part, because we have to still finish the bottom part. otherwise where we put our feeder. All right, so I took whatever the leftover fabric I had, and it's double, the fabric is double. And first I put my bottle cover, and I just wanted to make sure that how what is the circumference of the bottle cover. Then I took the round shape, whatever you have, like a bottle or any cap or plate or pen holder, whatever you have, just use that to even out all the lines. And then I am going to take about 0.25 inches extra. Now I'm gonna flip my feeder cover inside out, and you can see this is the inside of the fabric. There is no raw edges. Now I am going to just start putting the fabric, and I am going to just pin everything, and then I will go to my sewing machine and finish this off. It's not an easy task to sew the circle, so I just did it without the camera because it's what too much hassle going on, and there was nothing to show in the camera. Now once it's done, cut off any extra fabric and flip the feeder cover inside out, and this is how it looks so far. Now I'm going to secure the ends of the ribbon from the top with the help of my lighter. And here I am going to attach the snap buttons on both ends, so I have like a finished look. So I have like this purple and yellow, orange. I'm whatever you are comfortable with, use that color. I'm using purple here. I'm just going to use the snap button. I'm just going to snap it, and then I will show you the final result. So my snap buttons are ready, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna put the feeder inside. This is meant for a smaller feeder because I made it for newborn. So I'm just, because this is my daughter's bottle and this is a little bigger, so I just wanted to show you. If you want to use it for bigger bottle, then you definitely have to adjust the length, and maybe in future I will show you the longer version of this. So this is how it looks. I added the bead in between and it looks so cute, and I made it a full set of bib and feeder cover, and there were one more thing I forgot. Anyway, so I made the whole thing for my sister for because she was due. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy this little tutorial and you make some for your lovelies, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope I will be uploading on Monday, and thank you so much for staying by. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye everyone.